Are you wondering how to sign up for Prime with gift cards, vouchers, and promotional codes? In this video, I will show you exactly how to sign up for Prime with gift cards, vouchers, and promotional codes, how the payment process works, and how to activate your membership safely using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to sign up for Prime with gift cards, vouchers, or promotional codes right now, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Prime membership page. Let's start with how to sign up for Prime with gift cards. First, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to access the correct page. Second, sign in to your Amazon account. Before subscribing, you need to redeem your Amazon gift card balance. Go to your account and select Redeem a Gift Card. Enter your gift card code and apply it to your balance. Once your gift card balance is available, go back to the Prime membership page using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. When you choose your Prime plan, Amazon will use your available gift card balance first before charging any other payment method. Now let's talk about how to sign up for Prime with vouchers or promotional codes. If you have a voucher or promotional code, you can apply it during checkout or in the promotions section of your account. Enter the code exactly as provided and confirm. If the promotional code is valid, the discount will be applied to your Prime membership price. Always verify your voucher or promotional code details on the official page accessed through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to avoid expired or fake offers. It is important to understand that in some cases, Amazon may still require a backup payment method, even if you are using gift cards or promotional codes. This is especially common if you start with a free trial. So when learning how to sign up for Prime with gift cards, vouchers, and promotional codes, remember these key steps. Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Sign in to your Amazon account. Redeem your gift card balance, if applicable. Apply your voucher or promotional code. Select your Prime membership plan. Confirm your subscription. After confirmation, your Prime membership will become active immediately if the payment or balance is approved. Once you are subscribed, you can enjoy benefits like Prime video streaming, fast shipping on eligible products, exclusive Prime deals, additional Prime services depending on your region. Before completing your subscription, always review the membership price, applied discounts, remaining balance, billing details, cancellation policy. To see the exact rules for using gift cards, vouchers, and promotional codes with Prime membership, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That is the safest and most reliable way to confirm how to sign up for Prime with gift cards, vouchers, and promotional codes. If you are ready to activate your Prime membership, open the description and click the official and real link in the pinned comment now.